talk a little bit about some of the myths that may be out there related to loans in general.
Yeah. I mean, with this overall topic we have of helping seniors and kind of transition in the next phase of their life, a lot of people always say, well, I'm retired. I don't have much income. I probably can't qualify. Or, I'm not working right now. I already own this home. I have multiple properties. A lot of people assume they can't. And I always make the joke, it's like going to the doctor. You don't know unless you get a checkup. So having the conversation to kind of alleviate the stress points for them and make them realize that there's plenty of options out there. I mean, everyone always thinks, and I think this is the biggest myth, whether you're self-employed or retired, is I don't show a lot of money on my tax returns. I can't get a mortgage. Not true. The other thing, too, that I think there's a lot of myths about is people think of loans and they think, I've got to go to a bank because banks have the money. If you walk into most retail banks like a Wells Fargo or Bank of America, they don't offer that many loan products truly. So that's where companies like ours kind of come into play. So one thing that I'd say is another myth as well that most people always kind of get stuck up on is I went to the bank, I can't get a loan. Oh, shucks, I give up. Don't just stop there. You need to call someone else because there are plenty of options for everybody, whether you're employed or not, retired. And a lot of people in retirement still do have steady and significant income streams. Just where they come from might be a little bit more difficult to document for some lenders.